Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number 1. Yes, day number 1. Day number 1, week 2, spring 2026 of our journey together. Day number 1, week 2, spring 2026 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight. It's certainly a delight that each and every one to prepare for this evening's classes. All right, so let's begin. So today what we're going to be looking at is we're going to be looking at square roots and cube roots. And we're going to be especially looking at arithmetic with roots. And then we're going to move on to other operations. All right. But we just want to do the foundational stuff with square root and cube roots. All right. So that's what we're going to do. So I need China. Can you read these objectives for me, please? Good evening.
At the end of the lesson, students should be able to define, number 1, define square root and cube roots. Number 2, identify and represent square roots using the radical symbol. Number 3, calculate square roots of perfect squares up to 400.
Very good. Continue with the fourth one, the rest of them.
Number 4, perform arithmetic operations, additions, and subtraction involving square roots. Number 5, identify and represent cube roots using the radical symbol. Number 6, calculate cube roots of perfect cubes up to 1000.
Very good. So those are the objectives for today. Let's go ahead and head up and then we can get started, right? So today is Monday. Let me go ahead and share my screen with y'all so we can head up properly. Today is Monday, the 19th, right? The 19th of January. Yeah,
Yes,
the
sir.
19th of January, 2026.
Martin Luther King Day.
Good evening.
Good evening. All right, y'all can see my screen now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I want y'all to write this down. So I hope I have the date right. It is Monday, right? Monday the 19th. Yeah, Monday the
Yes, sir.
19th,
Yes, sir.
January 2026. How many persons have done square and cube roots before? Like you are familiar with square and cube
I
roots?
did.
Like, okay, good. So this should be reviewed for some of you. For some of you may be learning it for the first time. Either way, we need this to form a foundation that we're gonna be dealing with. All right. So when I say the square root of a number, what do I mean? What do we mean by square root?
Time to
Say it again.
times it by the number.
Okay, times it by the number. Anyone else have an idea what we mean by square root? What do we mean by square root?
Multiply the same number.
Multiply the same number. Very good.
How many
Anyone
times a number will go into itself?
How many times the number can go in itself? Okay. Anyone else? Square roots. What do you mean by square roots? So when we say square root is basically asking you a question. So write this down for me, this particular paragraph. It says that the square root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself gives the original number. So when we say the square root of a number, we're basically asking a question. What number can I use to multiply by itself to give that number that I have in brackets? So for example, if I say, what is the square root of 9, right? And what would your answer be? If I say, what is the square root of 9? It would be what?
3.
It would be 3. Why would it be 3?
Because
If I
3 times 3 is 9.
Very good. So the square root of a number is going to be a number that when I multiply by itself gives me 9. And so that's why 3 times 3 gives us 9. So that means that the square root of 9 is going to be 3. So again, the idea with the square root is that you need to think of a number that you could use to multiply by itself to give you the number that is inside the radical. And this symbol right here is the square root sign. We call that the radical symbol. Y'all can remember that? What we call the symbol? What we call this?
Radical symbol.
The radical symbol. So if I ask y'all what is the square root of 25, what would you tell me?
5.
5, very good. Why? Why is the square root of 25 5?
5 times 5.
25.
Very good, because 5 times 5 is 25. When you take 25, so when you take 5 and you multiply it by itself, you get 25. So that's why the square root of 25 is 5. Does that make sense to y'all? I mean, if that makes sense.
Sure. Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay, so Acacia, can you read this paragraph, please?
The root of a number is a value that, when multiplied by itself, gives the original number. For example, the square root of 9 is 3 because 3 times 3 equals 9. Square roots are represented using a radical symbol. For instance, the square root of 25 is written as 25.
Square root of 25. Very good. All right, so let's go ahead and do the square roots of these numbers. So I want you to construct a table, and I want us to consider the roots and the reason. All right. So first of all, what is the square root of 1? What is the square root of 1?
1.
1.
1. 1. Why? Why is the square root of 1 1?
1
times
times
one
1
is
is
1
1.
1 equals 1.
Very good, because 1 times 1 is 1. So write this table for me, please. Next, we have the square root of 4. What is the square root of 4?
2.
2. Very good. Why?
2 times 2 is
2
4.
times 2 equals
Very good, because 2 times 2 is 4. I know I can get you up with this one. What is the square root of a 9?
3.
3. Very good. The square root of 9 is 3. I can't use the calculator now. So
Who's over calculator?
you're not using a calculator? Okay, good.
I will we use calculator.
No.
See?
All right, because 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, good. Let me unmute the rest of these persons. All right, next. What is the square root of 16?
4
4. Why? What's the reason?
times 4.
4 times 4 is 16.
4 times 4 is 16. It's 16. Very good. Are you writing this down, or you're just looking at the screen?
I'm writing it.
Very good.
Right, man.
Then we have the square root of, my bad.
Yes,
But-
Mr. Badi.
Yes, go ahead.
We have to write this draw this box thing.
Yeah, draw the table. So we have the square root of 25. What is the square root of 25?
5.
5. Very.
So,
Why? Why? What's the reason?
5 times 5
times
is
5 is
25.
25.
Very good. 5 times 5 is 25. Very good. Then we have the square root of 36. What is the square root of 36?
6.
6. Very good. What's the reason?
6 times 6 is
6.
Very good. 6 times 6 is 36. Very good. Then we have the square root of 49. What is the square root of 49?
7.
7 times
7. 7. Very good. Why?
7 times 7 is 49.
Very good. 7 times 7 is 49. Everyone should be writing this table right away, because 7 times 7 is 49. Very good. Then we have the square root of 64. What is the square root of 64?
8 times 8.
8. Very good. What's the reason?
8 times 8 is 64.
Very good. 8 times 8 is 64. Very good. Then we have the square root of 81. Is what?
9.
9. Very good. Why? Why?
9 times
9 times 9.
81. 1. Sorry.
81. Very good. Then we have the square root of 100. What's the square root of 100?
10.
10.
10.
10. 10. Very good. What's the reason?
10 times 10 is 100.
10 equals 100.
Very good. 10 times 10 is 100. Very good. All right. So we reached 100. Are we done? Are we
No.
done? No?
I mean, the chart is full.
The chart is full. All
I
right.
finished.
We still have more to do. So let's go ahead and do the next table. So for the next table, let me clear out drawings here. We're gonna do what is the square root of 169? What is the square root of 169, class?
13.
13, very good. What's the reason? 13. What's the reason?
Times 13 is 169.
Very good. 13 times 13 is 169. Very good. What is the square root of 196?
14.
14, very good. What's the reason?
14 times 14 is 196.
Very good. 14 times 14 is 196. Why y'all so quiet? Everyone just gone quiet. But y'all don't know these ones?
Sorry, I was multitasking.
I had to do the whole thing over because I couldn't find the pen.
Okay. So y'all don't know these. Y'all don't know these ones? Or y'all thought it
I
just
was
stop at
the one.
100? Y'all stop at just stop at 100?
I don't know these.
I would go like 12, like 212.
Now you have to learn all the way up to 400. So we have the square root of 200. 400. What's the square root of 225?
15.
15.
15, very good. Why?
What? 15 times 15 is 225.
Very good. 15 times 15 is 225. Very good. What is the square root of 256?
16.
16. 16, very good. What's the reason?
16 times 16 is 256.
16
Very
times
good.
16 is 256.
Very good. 16 times 16 is 256. Good. What's the square root of 289?
17.
17, very good. What's the reason?
17 times 17.
289.
17 times 17 is
289.
289, very good. What's the square root of 324?
18.
18.
18, very good. What's the reason?
18 times 18 is 324.
Very good. 18 times 18 is 324. Are we done? You think there's more?
There's still more.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's always going to be more.
There's more.
There's more. Okay, so let's do 361. What's the square root of 361?
19.
19. Very good. Why?
19
19
times
times 19.
19 times 19 is what?
361.
361. Very good. And our last one is gonna be it's gonna be 400.
Woo!
What's the square root of 400?
20.
20.
20. Very good. Why?
20 times
20 times 20 is 400.
20 times 20 is 400. Okay, so we're gonna play a game called Rapid Fire. I'm gonna say the square root and you're gonna tell me which number it is. All right? You ready?
Excuse me, Mr. Critique. I think we missed one,
13, 14, 15, 16,
12,
17.
140.
I got 12
Oh yeah, we missed 11 and 12.
11.
11
All
and
right.
12
So we could do it here. We could do it. I figured our table looked sort of weird. So we could do let's do 121. What is the square root of 121?
11.
11. Why?
11
11 times
is
11 equals
121.
121.
Very good. 11 times 11 is 121. And finally, what's the square root of 144?
12.
12. Why?
12 times 12 is
121.
121. I mean 144.
Very good. 12 times 12 is equal to 144. All right, good. Okay, so now it's time for rapid fire. I'm gonna ask the square root, and you're gonna tell me which number it is. All right, the square root of 49.
7.
7.
Y'all too slow, y'all too slow, too slow, too slow. Square root of 25.
5.
5
Very good. Square root of 100.
10.
10.
Square root of 400.
12.
20.
20. Square root of 1.
1.
1. Very good. Square root of 64.
8.
8. Very good. Square root of 361.
19.
19. And last but not least, square root of 225.
15.
15. Very good. All right, so take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Everyone now should have my number. Should have my number. If you don't have my number, I'm gonna put inside the chat. My number is 426 8891. Again, it is 426 8891. That is my number. Again, everyone should have my number. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. So these are the square roots that we're going to be dealing with for this evening. Know them, love them. We're going to be working with them. All right. Those are the square roots. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Latavia. Thank you, Zanaya. Thank you, Kalia. Thank you, Antoine Lewis. Tyler Ambrister. Thank you. Kelvin, China, Adisha, Zion, Forbes, Acacia. Very good. The rest of you, please send in your work. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, I need everyone to take a picture of their work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Sorry, Miss Beauty, that's still writing.
All right. So everyone, quickly do that. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right. All right, are we done with the slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Very good. All right, so let's move on.
Yes, sir, we're done.
Okay, good, no problem.
Take a screenshot.
All right, no problem. All right, so let me move on from this. So this should be good. So should be able to move from the slide. Let me clear all drawings from this. So we should know this. Square roots, we should know our square roots. You should be familiar with all these. This should be memorized. You should know all the square roots up to 400. You don't need to know more than that. But you should know all of them up to 400. Okay. Okay. So the next one that we're gonna look at is going to be cube roots. Okay. So we're gonna be looking at cube roots. Now, what is the difference between square root and cube root?
Cube root is when a number multiplies itself 3 times.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else wanna answer the question? What's the difference between square root?
Same number 3 times.
Multiply the same number 3 times. Okay. Anyone else? Cube root.
It's when you, yeah, what they said, when you multiply the number by itself 3 times.
Okay, good. So, very good. So, cube root is the idea of using the same number in a multiplication problem 3 times. Okay, so let's go ahead and write this down. So write this down for me. Go ahead. Mari, can you read this paragraph for me, please?
The cube root of a number is a value that, when multiplied by itself twice, equals the original number. For instance, the cube root of 8 is 2 because 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8.
Very good. So if I say, right, if I say, tell me what is the cube root of 8, right? First of all, how do you know that this is cube root? How do you know this is cube root? What gives it away?
3.
Because
What's
of
the
the
radical?
The whole three of it.
Yeah,
top.
very good. This little, excuse me, this little 3 up top here, this means cube root. All right, so that's very important. So if I say what is the cube root of 8, what would you tell me? Is the cube root of 8?
512.
512? No, that's 8 cubed, but I want the cube root of 8.
2 times 2 times 2.
What is it? What is the cube root of 8?
2.
2? Okay, let's check. So so you're trying to tell me that if I do 2 times 2 times, but isn't 2 times 2 times 2 6?
You do 2
No,
times 2, which
sir.
2
2
equals
times
4,
2,
and
which
then 4
equals 4
times 2
times 2
equals
equals
8.
8.
But if I
Because
do 2 3 times, isn't it 6? How you get
No,
8?
sir.
No,
2
sir.
times 2
The
equals
first
4,
2
then
is 4, and the 4
then
times 2.
2
Okay.
equals 8.
Okay. Y'all are smart. Very good. So we have to do it step by step. So we say 2 times 2, and that gives us what? 4. And then we bring down the 2, right? And so we say 4 times 2. What is 4 times 2? That gives us what?
8.
That gives us 8. You understand that? So that's how we do it. Again, 2 times 2, which gives us 4. We bring down this 2. We say 4 times 2, and that gives us 8. Does that make sense to y'all? Let me know if that makes sense.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so that means that the cube root, that means that the cube root of 2, sorry, the cube root of 8 is what? Is 2.
2.
Okay, does that make sense? So let's look at another paragraph. So, Dominic, read this paragraph for me, please.
The symbol used to represent cube roots is 3 radical symbol, which is called the radical symbol for cube roots. It consists of a radical sign with a small numeral 3 to its upper left, indicating the cube root operation.
Very good. Very good. And Shabanic, read the second paragraph. Sharanik, where's Sharanik? Sharanik,
Yes, sir.
read the second paragraph for me.
The symbol used to represent cube roots is 3, which is called the radical symbol for cube roots. It consists of a radical sign with a small numeral 3 to its upper left, indicating the cube root operation.
Very good. All right, so let's go ahead and make a table for cube roots. All right, so let me see how good y'all is. Don't get shy now. Don't get shy on the cube roots. I want to hear y'all at the same energy y'all have with the square roots. So let's go with the cube root. So we're gonna say, what is the cube root of 1? What is the cube root of 1?
1.
1.
1.
Y'all sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why?
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Why? Because what?
1
1.
times
Because
1
Times 1.
1
times 1 is 1.
that's what you plus.
Very good. Because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. All right. That's the cube root of 1. Okay, now let's do the cube root. By the way, the cube root of 1 is 1. So let's do the cube root of 8. The cube root of 8 is going to be what?
2.
2. 2. Why? Because what? 2 times 2 times 2 gives us
8.
8. Very good. And then we have the cube root of, so I want the cube root of 27. So what is the cube root
3.
of 27? It's gonna be
3.
3. Very good. Let me erase these ones on the top to make them line up with the rest, because all of them need to be like to the hard left. So the cube root of 1 we know is 1, because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And the cube root of 8 is 2. Now, what is the, why is the cube root of 27 3?
3 times 3 times 3 is 27.
Very good, because 3 times 3 times 3. You sure? I thought 3 times 3 times is 9.
No.
Wrong.
I thought 3 times is 9. What's
3 times 3 is 9.
Then
Yeah.
multiply that 9 by 3.
Very good, because 3 times 3 is 9.
Yeah.
And then you take that 9 and you multiply it by 3.
3.
And that gives you what? 27.
27.
All right, so that's how we do it. Okay? So just think about it like that. Let's do another one. So we have the cube root of, the cube root of 64. That gives us what?
4.
4. Very good.
4.
What's the reason? How do we know?
4 times 4 times 4 is 64.
Very good. The reason is because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. And that makes sense, because if we look at it, 4 times 4, that's 16, right?
Mhm.
And we bring down this 4, and that gives us what? That gives us 16 times 4, which is 64.
64.
Yeah, very good. All right, let's do another one. So we have the cube root of, anyone know?
125.
125, very good, Ethan. The cube root of 125, which is what?
5.
5, very good. Why? What's the reason?
5 times 5 times 5 is 125.
Very good. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Why write huge on this thing? I don't have enough space. All right, so because 5 cubed is 125. Again, 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. All right, so let's do another one. We have the cube root of the cube root of 216. Very good. Which is what?
6.
6. Very good. Why? How do we know? Because
6 times 6 times 6
times
is
6 is
2.
216.
Very good. 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. And we could test that theory because all we need to do first is multiply 6 times 6, which gives us 36. That's the first thing to do. And then take the 6 and multiply it by 6. And that should give us 216. All right, so just think about that later. All right, next, then we have
343.
343, very good. So the cube root of 343 is what?
7.
7, very good. How do we know that? What's the reason?
7 times 7 times 7 is 343.
Very good, because 7 cubed or 7 times 7 times 7 is 343. Good. And let's move on to the cube root of what?
8.
Not the cube root of 8, close though.
I mean 512.
Very good, 512. The cube root of 512 is going to be what? 8. Why? Because what?
8 times 8 times 8.
Because 8 cubed or 8 times 8 times 8.
So question, would the other one be 1028?
Say it again.
Would the other one be 1028?
How you get that? What you do?
I mean 24.
1024? No. What you did? What you use?
Well, I didn't write it down yet. I just thought that because I gone and thought in my head, what if I just added up 512, but I add that by 2 of the numbers.
Oh, no. No, so basically, the next one is going to be actually not 500, not 1024. It's going to be
729.
729. Yeah, the cube root of 729. Now, what is the cube root of 729? What is that? That's going to be what? 9.
9.
Why?
9.
Because
9
what?
Because
cubed.
9 times 9 times 9 is 729.
Say it again. Someone said the answer. I don't know.
Because
Andrew?
9 times 9 times 9 is 729.
729.
Very good, y'all. And finally, was the last one.
1000.
1000.
Cube root of 1000. Very good. Is what?
10 times 10 times
10.
10. Very good. What's the reason?
10
times 10 times 10
10 is 1,000.
Very good, because 10 times 10 times 10 is 1000. Okay, good. Any questions on this so far? Let me know if you all have this. If there are any questions, let me know if you have any questions. Okay, what I want you to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. So we looked at the square root, we look at the cube root. The square root is we're thinking about a number that we could use to multiply by itself to give us that original answer. For the cube root, we're thinking about a number that we could multiply by itself, that we could involve in the multiplication 3 times to get that original number that is in the radical. And so that is the idea, all right? So I need everyone to take a picture of their work, send it to me via WhatsApp, so we can move on to the grade exercise for the day.
Excuse me, Mr. Witty, can you go back to the slide before this so I can take a screenshot? Excuse me, Mr. Witty, can you go back to the slide before this so I can screenshot it, please?
Sure, no problem. No problem. I'll go back. All right, so take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to do that for me. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. So I'm gonna go back for tomorrow, and for some other persons who maybe just arrived. Okay, so let me go ahead and clear our drawings, and I need everyone to send in their work, please. Everyone to send in their work. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. So, right away, saw this. Good. So that's this slide, and this is
Could I
this.
see some notes after class?
Who's that speaking?
Reagan.
Yes, we can. So this is the first slide. So you can take a picture of that for those who don't have it.
Excuse me.
Mhm.
Can you use a part of this?
Yes, we can.
Thank you.
And then this one, no problem. And then this one is the second slide. This one is the second slide. All right, so let's move on to the grade exercise, the grade exercise for this evening. It's going to be, so we don't have a quiz for this one. It's going to be the grade exercise. So for this one, you do not have to write the options. Please do not write the options. Just write the question and the answer. Again, do not write the options, just write the question and the answer. You all understand that? So,
Sir?
good. So go ahead and do this particular question. Where's Andrew? Andrew, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the question to me, please. What is the symbol?
What is the symbol used for square roots called? You want me to just read the question? So
You could read the options too.
A, radius. B, radicand. C, radical. D, radian. Got it. Number 2. Which symbol is the correct symbol for the cube root?
You don't have to read the you don't read the
Oh,
options.
okay. Number 3. What is the square root of 81? A, 3. B, 9. C, 27. D, 6. Number 4. What is the cube root of 343? Number 5. The square root of a number is a value when multiplied by blank gives the original number. A, an integer. B, itself. C, a factor. D, a positive digit. Number 6. What is the square root of 196?
Very good, Andrew. All right, take it. What I want you to do, I want you to write this down. Do not write the options, just write the question and the answer. Do not write the options, just write the question and the answer. All right. And then once you finish, what I want you to do is send your work to me via WhatsApp and we can go over it together. All right. Adasa, what number you want?
Number 3.
Number 3, very good. Ajani, what number you want? Ajani, what number you want?
Number 2.
Good. Albert Rocks, what number you want? What number you say?
2.
Number 2. Alphanik, what number you want?
Number 3.
Good. Amari, what number you want?
Number 1.
Okay. Andisha, what number you want?
3.
Very good. Anthony, what number you want? Anthony, what number you want?
Number 4.
Number 4. Good. Antonio Lewis, what number you want?
4.
4. And is there anyone who is finished? Is there anyone who's finished?
I am.
You are? Okay. Who said they are?
Logan.
Okay, Logan. Logan, you sent a picture to me via WhatsApp?
I need to get a new number for WhatsApp.
Okay, do you have my phone number?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so take a picture of your work and send it to me. Aubrey Wiley, what number you want?
Number 3.
Number 3, very good.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
How would it asking what the square or the cube of a number is look like?
They want the symbol that you put. You mean number 2, right?
No, I wasn't talking about number 2. I was just talking about in general because it's saying that symbol is used to ask what the square root of something is. But I was the cube root of something is. But I was asking like how would I write it something to ask what the square number of something is?
The square root or square number?
Square number.
Oh, so you just, for square number, it's like exponents. So it'll be like 2 squared, and 2 squared is 4. Or it'll be like 3 squared, and 3 squared is 9. So if you want square numbers, you have to use exponents. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Is there anyone who's finished? Again, once you finish, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Me, I finished.
Finish.
That's
I'm
good.
done.
That's good. Avriel, what number you on?
Number 6.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Aiden Deal, what number you on? Aiden Deal, what number you on?
Number 4, Mr. P.
Good. Jesus. Brandon Campbell, what number you on? Brandon Campbell, what number you on? Cannon from Brandon. Bernard Lightburn, what number you on? Bernard Lightburn. And Brianne Johnson, what number you on?
6.
6, very good. Brianna Clark, what number you on?
5.
And Brene Sweeting, what number you on?
Hello?
Yes.
I was writing it down. I am number 2 now.
Okay, no problem. And Carlton, what number you on?
3.
3. Okay, good. All right, so let's go ahead and answer these questions. Is there anyone else who's finished? Who's finished? Let's go ahead and...
I'm finished.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay, so y'all just could tell me
So-
the letter y'all chose. For number 1, what is the symbol used for the square root
C.
called?
C.
C.
C. How many persons put C?
I did.
Me.
I did.
I did.
Very good.
I did.
Very good. Very good. Radical. Very good. Excellent.
I put that.
Which symbol is the correct symbol for the
D.
cube root?
D. D.
D. Very good. D.
D.
D. If you got it right, just put a tick in your book. So very good. What is the square root of 81?
9.
9.
9.
9.
9. Very good. That's B. Very good. Someone mic is not on. Good. So that's that. What is the cube root of 343?
7 times 7 times
7.
What number y'all put?
I put
7.
7.
Times 7.
It's just 7. It's just 7. It's one number. All right. All right. The square root of a number is the value when multiplied by blank gives the original number.
Itself.
Itself, very good. Itself, B. And finally, what is the square root of 196?
14.
14, very good. 14. Anyone get all right? Anyone get all right?
Yes,
Anyone got all right?
sir.
Anyone got all right? Very good. If you get all right, put a 1 in the chat. If you get all right, put 1 in the chat.
It's
We get a-
disabled.
It's disabled.
Not disabled.
Chat disabled? Okay, so let me enable it. Okay, how about now?
Yes, sir. It's good.
Okay, put a 1 inside the chat if you get all right. Good. All right, good. All right, again. Take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. All right. All right, so let's move on. Okay, so let me go ahead and move on. Okay, cool. So let's move on to, I think we have to do the arithmetic of it now, right? So we already know the square roots, cube roots, we already know how to identify them, we already know what they are. So let's go ahead and perform operations using them, right? So that's what we really need to do right there, right? So we're gonna be looking at these questions and figuring out, okay, how do we find the cube roots? How do we use them in operations, right? So that's what we're gonna be looking at for this one, right? So arithmetic with roots.
Mr. Petit?
Yes, you can hear me?
Sorry, can you go back to the slide that was orange colored, the cube roots one, please?
Which was that? Does be. That was the second slide. Okay. So make sure that you have your cube roots. You're gonna need them. If you have your square root, you're gonna need them. All right. Okay, you got it?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good. All right, so now we're gonna be looking at arithmetic with roots. So now the idea here is that we wanna find the value of the following. Okay, so first of all, we have number 1. So with number 1, we have the square root of 16 plus the square root of 49. So I want us to figure out the answer. Does anyone have an idea of what they think? How we could do this?
4 plus 7?
4 plus 7?
11.
11. So what are we gonna do first?
Find the square root of 16
Find
and
the
49.
square roots, then add the square roots.
16 and 49.
Very good. Find the square roots, then add the square roots, right? So, okay. So let's look at the square root of 16. What is the square root of 16?
4.
4. Very good. And what is the square root of
4 plus 7? 7.
What's the square root? What's the square root of 49? 7. Very good.
7.
So 4 plus 7. What is 4 plus 7?
11.
11. Does that make sense to y'all? How we got this?
Yeah, so.
Okay, good. All right, perfect. So let's do another one. So again, the first thing that we do, all we do is we take the square root of each of these, then we just add them. All right. So you have to go back to your table. So for this one, we have the square root of 25 plus the square root of 144. So how are we gonna do this?
5 plus
5 plus 12.
5 plus 12.
How do we get the 5?
Because 5 times
5.
12 is 25.
Very good. And how do we get 140? How do we get the 12, sorry?
12 times 12.
is 144.
Very good. It's because the square root of 144 is 12. So what is 5 plus 12? 5 plus 12 is what?
17.
17.
Oh, 17. Very good. 17. Y'all understand this or y'all lost?
I
You know?
understand.
I understand it.
lost.
Understand.
I
Who
thought
say,
it would have done another.
who say they lost?
Me.
Zion?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I lost also.
Okay, no problem. Okay,
Me
so
too.
who's me too? Kaden?
D'Angelo.
D'Angelo. Okay, no problem. So for those who are lost, did y'all get the table of the square roots? Y'all have the square root table?
Yes, sir.
You do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So all we need to do is we first need to find the square root of 25. So if you look at the square root of 25 in your table, you know that the square root of 25 is going to be 5 because 5 times 5 is 25. So that's how we get 5 here, right? Similarly, if we go here, we find that the square root of 144 is 12. And the reason why is because 12 times 12 is 144. So it's going to be 12. So now we know that the square root of 25 is 5, the square root of 144 is 12, and we add them. So we say 5 plus 12, and when we add them, so let's go ahead and add them, 5 plus 12 gives us 17. And so that is how we get 17. First find the square root of 25, which is 5, find the square root of 144, which is 12, then we add 5 and 12, and that's what gives us 17. All right, does that help a little? At least a little? For those who didn't understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's do another one. Hopefully this will help you all understand it better. So we have, this one is subtraction. So we have the square root of 169 minus the square root of 36. So how are we gonna do that?
minus 6.
13 minus
6.
6. Very good. Why? Because the square root of 169 is what?
13.
13. Very good. 13. Very good. The square root of 169 is 13. And what's the square root of 36?
6.
6. Very good. Very good. So the square root of 169 is 13 because 13 times 13 is 69, 169, right? And the square root of 36 is 6 because 6 times 6 is 36. And so we see 13 minus 6 and 13 minus 6, but that gives us 7. All right. So the first thing you need to do is you need to find the square root first, right? Once you find the square root first, then you could go ahead and do the addition or the subtraction. All right. Good. Do you all have this written down? Let me know if you have this written down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I didn't.
Okay, good. Okay, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Okay. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, good. So, good. So this is how we do this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and do number 4. So for number 4,
I get it.
For number 4, we have this one. So it's sort of different. We have the square root of 100 minus the square root of 4. Can someone tell me how we're going to do this? The square root of 100 minus the square root of 4. How are we going to do that?
10 take away 2.
Say it again.
10 take away 2.
10 take away 2. Very good. Excuse me. How you get the 10?
Because 10 times 10 equals 100.
10 times 10 is equal to 100. Very good. And how we get 2?
2 times 2 equals 4.
Very good. 2 times 2 is 4. So the square root of 4 is 2. So it's going to be square root of 100 is 10 minus 2. And 10 minus 2 is definitely going to be 8. All right? It's going to be 8. Let's do another one. Number 5. So for number 5, we have 13 plus the square root of 9. 13 plus the square root of 9.
Plus 3.
13 plus 3. How you get 3?
3 times
3
3.
times 3 equals 9.
3 times 3.
3 times 3 equals 9.
Very good. So 13 plus 3 is what?
16.
16.
16. Very good. 16. All right. Let's go ahead and let's do number 6. So for number 6, we have 17 minus the square root of 164. Not 164, sorry, just 64. So 17 minus the square root of 64. So how are we gonna do that?
17 minus 8.
17 minus 8. Where you get the 8 from?
8 times 8 equals 64.
Very good. 8 times 8 is 64. So 17 minus the square root of 64 is going to be 17 minus 8. And what is 17 minus 8?
9.
9. Let's do it again. 17 minus 8 is 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. 17 minus 8 is 9. Okay, good. So these are the 6 ones that we have. We're going to move on to the grade exercise right now. So if you do not understand this, let me know right now before we get into the grade exercise. The grade exercise, you're going to have to do them on your own. So make sure, let me know if you know how to do this. You good? All right, so let's go ahead and do this grade exercise. So for grade exercise, what I want y'all to do is I want y'all to go ahead and do these 6 questions. These ones will be done on your own. All right, I'm going to give you all an opportunity to go ahead and do them. Kanan? That's Kanan.
Yes, sir.
Read the questions for me, please.
Number 1. The 30.
The square root of?
The square root of 36 plus the square root of 81. Number 2. The square root of 16 plus the square root of 121. Number 3. The square root of 400 minus the square root of 225. Number 4. The square root of 144 minus the square root of 1. Number 5. 15 plus the square root of 4. Number 6. 21 minus the square root of 361.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Zion, what number you on?
I was writing on the questions.
Okay. What number you on still? Regardless if you're writing it down.
Number 2.
Number 2. Zion, right? What number you on?
I'm on number 2.
Number 3?
Number 2.
Number 2, okay, good. Do you understand what you're doing or you lost?
I understand.
That's good. Zanea McIntosh, what number you on?
Oh, I'm on number 4.
And you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Travis Aquel, what number you on?
I writing it, but I on number 4.
Okay. And Shika Smith.
I'm on number 5.
Number 5. You understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Shavia Ray, what number you on?
I'm also on 5.
Number 5 as well. And you understand what you're doing, Shavia?
So
That's good. Sharon, what number you on?
I finish.
You finished? Okay. So for those who are finished, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Ricardo Linden, what number you on?
Number 6.
You understand what you're doing? Or you lost?
I know I'm doing.
That's good. Serenity, what number you on? Serenity. No, can't have from Serenity. So let's ask Reagan Major, what number you on?
I'm answering them. I already finished writing.
Okay. And Renee Keneally, what number you on? Renique Neely or Renique Neely, and Renique Wood, what number you on?
Number 4.
Very good. And Quentin Sands, what number you on?
Number 5.
Number 5. All right, how many persons are finished? Let me know if y'all finished or y'all still.
Me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm finished.
I'm done.
Okay, good. All right. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and do number 1. What y'all have for number 1? What y'all answers for number 1?
15.
15. Okay, how did y'all get 15? What we do? We know it's gonna be 6 plus 9, right?
Which is 15.
And 6 minus 9 is 15. Very good. If you got it, please put a tick. Again, if you got it, please put a tick.
Let's go.
Okay, that's good. Number 2, what y'all have for number 2?
15.
15 as well.
15.
Really? It's 15 as well? The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 121 is 11, and it's also 15 as well. Very good, 15. A surprise. All right. We have for number 3. What have for number 3?
5. Which is 20 take away 15.
Very good. The square root of 400 is 20. The square root of 225 is 15. So 20 minus 15 is going to be 5. Very good. Next, we have the square root of 144 minus the square root of 1. Would you love for number 4?
11.
11. Very good.
11.
12 minus 1 is 11. Good. 15, number 5. 15 plus the square root of 4.
17.
17. 15 plus 2 is 17. Very good. 17.
And number 6 is 2.
And finally, for number 6, you'll have
2.
2. Very good. The square root of 361 is 19. 21 minus 19 is going to be 2. Very good. All right. Anyone got all right? 6 out of 6. Anyone got all right?
I got all right.
Very good. Very good. Excellent job.
Me.
Very good. Anyone got 5 out of 6? 5 with a 6. 5 with a 6.
I did.
That's good. Very good. Excellent job. Okay, so I think we're ready for a quiz. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a quiz inside the chat because we haven't done a quiz all day. And I know that y'all are quiz deprived. So
Not at all.
not at all. I'm sure you are, man. You're like, Mr. Petit,
I'm not.
we need a quiz.
I got
So
my 4 from
Maybe
Thursday.
I'm graded exercise deprived.
you great exercise deprived. All right, so
I'm not.
all right, so once you've started the quiz, it's gonna be quiz
The
number
chat
1.
disabled.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it. Quiz number 1. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. It should not be disabled anymore. Yeah, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Everyone should do pretty well on this one. Let me go ahead and check your grids. Everyone should be doing the quiz at this time. Yeah, good. This is a good quiz. This is a good quiz. How many points is this? It's a long one too, boy. All right, so again, Google Forms. Okay, good. All right. Everyone should be doing the quiz. All right. Everyone should be doing the quiz. So the quiz is out of 32. This is a long quiz. It's a very long quiz. I don't know what I was thinking. This is a very long quiz. All right, everyone should be doing the quiz. I didn't know this is this long, but do your best. It's out of 32. So since it's out of 32, the lowest you can get is 26. If you get anything lower than 26, you have to redo it. So again, if you get anything lower than 26, you have to redo it. So KJ Moss, you have to redo it. Again, if you get anything lower than 26, you have to redo it. Logan, how you get something wrong? Logan, what you get wrong today?
Number 3.
Number 3? All right. Again, once you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, once you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. Everyone should be doing this quiz. I did not realize it's this long, but it's a long quiz, so nothing wrong with that. Okay, so after we're done with that, we definitely got enough time to do order of operations. So that's good. Very good, China. China, very good. China got all right. Very good, China. China. Again, once you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, once you finish with your quiz, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp.
So that's 7, 6, 12, 11, 10, 9.
Make sure your mic is muted. Again, make sure your mic is muted for me.
I have to do it over. I made some mistake.
Who's that speaking?
Antonio Lewis.
Antonio Lewis, okay, no problem. Again, everyone should be doing their quiz. Everyone should be doing the quiz. Okay, good. All right, so let me go ahead and check these quiz grades. Okay, so very good, Logan. Very good, China. Very good, Nikisha Williams. Where's Nikisha Williams? Where is she? Nikisha.
Yes, sir.
You did very well. I'm proud of you. Very good.
Thank you.
Keep it up. Very good, Nikisha. Very good. Nalia, very good. Antonio, please do your quiz. Renee, excellent job. Ethan, very good job as usual. Andrew, very good. Keon, very good. Jonathan, please redo your quiz. Ethan, Finley, please redo your quiz. Davnik, you look like you come in for this president of the class.
I am.
Look like you ain't playing. Look like you are not playing. Travis, excellent job, Travis. Very, very good, Travis. Zion, Rang, please redo your quiz. If you get anything less than 26, you have to redo it. Very good, Zania. Very good, Jabron. Adasa. How you get that? That's Adasa.
I'm here.
How you get that?
I do not know.
You do not know. Okay, redo it.
Okay.
And you're so close though. Kalia Johnson, very good. Sharon Brown, very good. Avriel, please redo your quiz.
That
Shavia.
quiz was so long.
Say it again.
That quiz was so long.
It is long, right? I know. That's very long. I definitely will remove some questions on that. Ariel, redo your quiz. Malia, very good. Shannon, very good. Amari,
How
very
I
good.
do?
I'll let you know right now. Amari, very good. Danaj, very good. Irvin, very good. A lot of people doing pretty well. Jamari, please redo your quiz. Very good, very good. Leslie, please redo your quiz.
Okay.
Very good, Jonathan. Very good, Jonathan. Very good, Layla. Zion Forbes, please redo your quiz. The rest of you are doing pretty well. If you get a 26 and above, you don't have to redo it. Okay, again, if you get a 26 and above, you do not have to redo it. But anything lower than that, you have to redo the quiz. Very good, Ethan. Very good, Kamara notes. Let me see the class average on this thing. Okay, class average is it's a 28. So as a class, you're doing pretty well.
Finish.
Finish, very good. Lakeja, very good. Alphanik, very good, Alphanik. 28 out of 32. That's a 86. Very good, Zion. All right, very good, Antonio. Okay, good. So most of y'all are done. Very good, Brian. Anyone who's still working? Very good, Keyshawn.
Me, I'm redoing it.
So you're redoing it?
I'm
Okay.
still working.
Okay, Quentin starts. Okay. Okay, so we have to move on to order of operations. So I'm gonna give you all 1 minute, 1 more minute to finish that. And then we're gonna move on to order of operations. So we needed to do square root and cube roots so that we could be able to establish ourselves with
I finished.
order of operations. You finished? Very good. Very good, Quentin. So 30 more seconds.
Time goes fast.
It does. Very good, Kanan. Very good, Anthony. Very good, Ashante. Very good, Shavea Ray. Very good, Zion. Very good, Adasa. Very good, Chai. Ajani, please do your quiz. I don't see a quiz from Ajani. All right. All right, good stuff. Very good class. Okay, good. So let's go ahead and do our order of operations questions. So let's look at the first question here. So for order of operations, so let me go ahead and open this one up. So, okay, good. So for this one, we have to remember the rules, and the rules would help us in going about doing these questions, right? So, so let's go ahead and do this. Let me go ahead and do this one. So the rule is, I'm sure you all are very familiar with the rule. So let me put this here. Okay, so we have this particular expression here. I want you all to write it down. So how can we read this? How would we read this? You'd say what?
The square root of 36 plus 4 times 5. Take away 3 cubes.
Not 3 cubed, close.
3
3 to
squared.
the power 2.
Oh.
3 to the power 2, or 3 what?
Squared.
Squared.
3 squared. Very good. 3 squared. Very good. So say it again one more time.
The square root of 36 plus 4 times 5, take away 3 squared.
Very good. So we have these things here, right? Which one are we gonna do first?
4 times 5.
Wanna multiply first?
Exponent.
Wanna do the exponents first?
3 squared.
3 squared first. So we're gonna multiply first. We're gonna do first. Add first, take away first. What are we gonna do first?
Exponent.
Exponents?
The exponents.
The exponents, okay. Okay, so let's go to the rule. So the rule, we have a rule. It's called PEMDAS, right? So PEMDAS is PEMDAS. And so write this down there somewhere. So PEMDAS, the acronym is Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. All right. So this is this acronym, or PEMDAS, tells us the order in which we're going to perform these mathematical operations. P, we always start with what? We always start with parentheses. Parentheses. Always start with parentheses or brackets. So in this question, are there any parentheses that we see?
No, sir.
No. So since there are no parentheses, then we don't have to worry about that in this question. The next thing we have is E, and E is for what?
Exponents.
Exponents. So exponents is going to be what? You have 3 squared, that's your exponents, and you have the square root of 36, that's going to be exponents. So this term right here and this term right here, these terms have exponents in them. These are going to be the first things that we do. Okay. Then we have to do what? What's the third thing that we're going to do?
Multiply.
Multiply.
You sure it's multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Read it carefully. Read it carefully. Sure it's multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Multiply or divide. Multiply or divide.
But you know division.
So, I mean in general. So, notice that it says multiplication or division. Now, multiplication and division are equally weighted. Let me say it again. Multiplication and division are equally weighted. So that means that they have the same weight, right? They're on the same tier. So how do you know which one you do first? How do you know whether you do multiplication first?
Whichever one comes first in the equation.
Very good. Whatever one comes first. Who said that?
Andrew.
Very good. Whatever one comes first in the equation or in the question, from left to right. So multiplication and division, since they're equally weighted, you have to do whatever comes first from left to right. Okay. But in our question, do we have division?
No.
Do we have division? No, we do not have division. So since we do not have division, what does that mean? That means that we could go
Need to
straight ahead.
multiply.
We could multiply, yeah. Now we have addition and subtraction. Which one do we do first?
Addition.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Because we have to start from
Addition or
Add or
subtraction?
subtract.
Very
Whichever one comes first.
Whatever one comes first from left to right, because they are equally weighted, right? So in our question here, which one are we going to do first? Are we going to add first or are we going to subtract first?
we're adding.
We're adding first, right? Because addition comes first from left to right. So let's go ahead and do this, right? What is the square root of 36?
6.
6.
Y'all sure? What is the square root of 36?
6.
6, very good. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna do this. Do I do square? Yes. We do the square root of 36. So that's gonna be 6. So we put that down because the square root of 36 is 6. We put the plus sign down as well. Write this down for me, please. We keep the 4 times 5. Then we subtract 3 squared. So any difference between this row and this row is that I took the square root of 36 and it gave me 6. All right, does that make sense? That's the first thing that I do. All right. Now, can someone tell me what's the next thing that I'm going to do? What's the next thing I'm going to do?
The other exponent.
What I have to do after this in this line here? Which one I'm going to do now?
Exponent.
3 squared.
I'm going to do 3 squared. Very good. What is 3 squared? What is 3 squared?
9.
3 squared is?
9.
3 squared is 9. Because 3 squared is
3
equal to
times
what?
3
3 times 3. Very good. 3 times 3.
equals 9.
And what is 3 times 3?
9.
That's 9. Very good. That's 9. And so we have to do that one because that is an exponent. We always do exponents before we multiply. And so what that means is that we're going to have, we keep the 6, we keep the plus, we keep the 4, we keep the multiplication symbol, we keep the 5. It's going to be minus 3 squared or minus what? Minus 9. Does that make sense so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Okay, good. Now what's the next thing we're going to do?
Multiplication.
multiply.
Multiplication, very good. We have to multiply before we add. So what is 4 times 5?
20.
20, very good. 20. So we have 6 plus 20, very good, Ethan. We have 6 plus 20 minus 9. What are we going to do after this?
6 plus
6
20.
plus 20.
6 plus 20. So we add before we subtract because addition comes first. What is 6 plus 20? That gives us what?
26.
26. Very good.
Minus 9 equals 18.
And we have 26 minus 9, which gives us what?
17.
17. Very good.
I mean
Did
17.
Yes. Did anyone get 17 before me? Did anyone get 17 before me?
I did.
No one?
I did the wrong thing.
You did
I
the wrong
did.
thing. You did the wrong thing.
I almost said 17.
Rian said she did. Very good. So for this one, you always start with parentheses. If there are no parentheses, you move on to exponents. If there are no exponents, then you go on to multiplication or division. They are equally weighted, so you're going to do them from left to right. And then you're going to do addition and subtraction. Again, they are equally weighted, so you're going to do them from left to right. And that is PEMDAS. What is the acronym for PEMDAS?
Please excuse
my dear Aunt Sally.
Very good. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to go ahead and do this. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Any questions on this? Or y'all feel like y'all understand this?
We understand.
Yeah, so
Understand? That's good. Good to know. Very good. Good to know. All right, so Quentin Sands, do you understand this? Quentin?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Patrick, do you understand this? Patrick, do you understand this? That's Patrick. Patrick, do you understand this?
Yes, I understand.
All right, have you sent in your work?
I can send me and Courtney on right now.
Okay, good. All right, take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp. All right, let's go ahead and do another one. Okay, so for these ones, let's see how we're gonna do it. So with this one, we're gonna do. Okay, so let me give you another one. So we have, say, again, we're still gonna use the same idea of PEMDAS, right? So we have these ones, okay? Okay, so with this one, we have part A, we have 21 minus 3 times 4. And again, we want to use PEMDAS, all right? So for this one, how y'all think y'all gonna do this? We're gonna do first. For 21,
Negative 3 times 4.
Multiply.
we're gonna multiply first, right?
Multiply first.
So we multiply 3 times 4, that gives us what?
Negative 12.
12. Very good. So we have 21 minus 12. And that gives us what?
9.
9.
9. 9. Very good. So the answer is 9. All right. Any questions on that? All we did was that we multiply first. We always multiply before we subtract. All right. So don't say 21 minus 3. How many persons are gonna do 21 minus 3? You always gonna do 21 minus 3?
No, sir.
Actually, yes, I was gonna do that.
Okay, he's gonna do that. Okay.
I
All right.
forgot for a second.
Yeah, so don't do 21 minus 3. You have to multiply first, all right? So we multiply first. So we say 3 times 4, which is 12. Then we do 21 minus 12, which is going to be 9. Okay? All right, B. How are we going to do B? How are we going to do B? All right, hello, Jai. Let me unmute you. How are we going to do B?
We add 15 plus 7.
Uh-huh.
Divide by 13. Then we do 13 minus 2 for the bottom.
Very good. Very good. So we do the top first, and then we do the bottom, right? So what is 15 plus 7? Can someone tell me what is 15 plus 7?
22.
22.
22. Only 2 persons know that. What is 15 plus 7, class?
22.
22.
22.
22.
22. Very good. And what is 13 minus 2?
11.
11.
11. 11. Very good. Very good. And so we go ahead, Andisha.
So why did you add first instead of subtraction first?
Say it again, instead of
taking away first.
Oh, with this one, how they are one is on top of the other. It doesn't matter which one you do first, because what really happening, if you really think about it, even though they didn't put the brackets, what's really happening is this one is in brackets and this one is in brackets because they are fractions, right?
Oh,
so
okay.
So you could do both of them and it doesn't matter, right? So you could do this one first and you still get 22 over 11, regardless of which one you do first, right? So,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, good. So now we have 22 over 11, or 22 divided by 11. And so what is that gonna be?
2.
22 divided by 11 gives us what?
2.
Gives us 2. Very good. Gives us 2. All right. And that gives us 2. So the answer here is going to be what? 2. 2.
So for that one first, we have to work it out and then divide it.
Yeah. So you have to work out the numerator first, right? And you get 22. Then do the denominator after that. You get 11. And then you divide it and get 2. All right. So you do the numerator first, the denominator second, and then divide it afterwards. All right. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and do another one. It's gonna be our last one before the quiz, right? Any questions on this before I move on? Any questions? Let me know if y'all don't understand something. Okay. Okay, good. So let's do this one. So it's gonna be our last one, and then I'm gonna give you all a quick quiz on this, and y'all should be good, right? Yeah. Okay, good. So let's go ahead and mm, let me go. Let me move. Let me we are on this one, right? Okay, good. So stay out. Good. All right. So it's gonna be our last one before the quiz. Again, if you do not understand it, then just let me know if you don't understand it, so we could go over it. So let's go ahead and do this, right? So we say we have 8 plus, this is a good one. We have 8 plus 5 multiplied by 28 divided by 4, right? So again, we have 8 plus 5 multiplied by 28 divided by 4. So how are we gonna go ahead and do this?
Do the
28 divided by 4.
28 divided by 4.
Why are we doing 28 divided by 4?
Because parentheses is first.
Because of parentheses.
Because the parentheses is first. Very good. So we have to do the parentheses first, right? So good. So what is 28 divided by 4?
7.
Say it again.
7.
7. Very good. So we have the 8. We keep the 8 plus what? The 5 multiplied by 28 divided by 4 is 7. All right. Good. Any questions on that? So we have to do the parentheses first because based on PEMDAS, PEMDAS say, hey, do the parentheses first, then exponents. Do we have any exponents here that we could do?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, we don't have any exponents, right? So we don't have any exponents. So what are we gonna do? We have to
5 times 7.
we have to multiply. Do we multiply or add first?
Multiply.
Multiply. Very good.
The answer, the 35.
So 5 times 7, very good. 5 times 7 is
35.
35, very good.
I got 43.
And 35 plus 8 is
43. I got 43.
43. 43, very good. 43. Very good. Very good. All All right, so the answer here is going to be 43. All right, good. Any questions on this? Let me know.
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, so take a picture of this and send to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp.
May you go to the other slide, please?
The previous one?
Yes, sir.
No problem. So for the previous slide that we did, we had, let me go back. So we did this one. So this one is when we had the division of them and we had a simple multiplication and subtraction. For this one, we had them multiply first, then subtract. Here we do the numerator and then the denominator, and we divide them. And then for this one, what we did here is we did the square root, we did the exponents, we multiplied, we add, then we subtract, and that's how we get that. So these are 3 really good questions on order of operations that we did, right? So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and give you all the quiz for this, okay? So I'm going to obviously give you all the quiz for that. So let me go ahead and do this. So we have so for this one, once I've put the quiz inside the chat, just put started. Again, once I put the quiz inside the chat, just put started. All right, and then we can move on from there, right? So everyone, make sure to take a picture of your work and send them via WhatsApp. Go ahead and do that. And then I will post the quiz. I haven't posted it yet. This one is a very short quiz, unlike the other one. So just make sure that you do very well on this. It's out of
mine.
good. It's out of it is out of 9. So the lowest you can get is 8 out of 9. All right, so quiz. This quiz, what? This is our first quiz. The first quiz for order of operations. All right, well, again, once you started the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started.
Did you send the quiz in the chat?
I did.
Can you resend it, please?
I can. All right, so again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Let me go ahead and check these quiz grades and see how we did. Nalia, very good. Nakisha Williams, very good. Andrew Gibson, very good. Logan, very good. Reagan, very good. Kanan, very good. Jamari, very good. Jamari Evans, very good. Hadassah, very good. Alphanik, very good. A lot of you doing very well. So again, once you have finished your work, take a picture of it and take a picture of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. Very good, Tyler. Very good, Keyshawn. Very good, Keon Borrows. Zion, rank, please with your quiz again. Ethan, very good. Malaya, very good. Dominic, excellent job. Sania. Very good, Sania. Jai Thompson. Very good, Jai. Especially how you just came. Very good, Jai. Leslie. Where's Leslie? Please put your last name.
This is Mr. Pettit.
Go ahead. You have a question
I
for me?
got one wrong, so do I have to redo the quiz?
Say it again.
I got one wrong, so do I have to redo the quiz?
No, you have to redo it. Only if you get 8 or 9 is fine.
Okay.
All right. So Alexia Fowler, please redo your quiz. Someone say I don't have the quiz. I can't see it. No problem, Shika. Someone. Okay, so let me repost the quiz. For those persons who still need the quiz, I have it posted again. A lot of you still haven't done the quiz. A lot of you haven't done the quiz. That's a lot. A lot of you have not done the quiz. I need everyone to go ahead and do the quiz, please. I reposted inside the chat. Very good. If you got 100 on the quiz, put a 1 in the chat. If you got 100 on the quiz, put 1 in the chat.
I got an 8 out of 9.
8 or 9 is fine. Very good. Everyone should be doing the quiz. Everyone should be doing the quiz. All right, and we have very good Lamaya, very good Sharanik, very good Zion. We still have a lot more persons who need to do the quiz. Cordell, very good. Okay, good. All right, good. All right, so let's do very good, Jai. Very good. Excellent. A lot of you did it. Very good. I was waiting for you all to finish. Good. Okay, so those were good ones. So let's continue with in the same along the same lines, right? So okay, so let's do another one. So we have this one. With this one, it is a very good one. So we have so turn your attention to the screen and let's go ahead and do these ones, right? And then we have 15 more minutes, so we can't take too long on these because I want y'all to do this second quiz on this. So okay, good. So let's go ahead and do this one. So we have, for this one, we have 7 plus 3, open bracket, 9 minus 4 times 6. Y'all should be experts in this. What is the first thing that we're going to do for this one?
Go to bracket.
Parentheses.
Parentheses. Yes, go ahead.
Can I go for a few seconds?
Yes, we can, quickly. So we have to do the parentheses. So it's going to be 9 minus what?
4.
9 minus 4. And what is 9 minus 4?
5.
5.
5.
So please understand that, right? So what we have here, this is very good one. So we have here is we did 9 minus 4, right? So we did 9 minus 4, right? We did 9 minus 4. And then we what? 9 minus 4 gives us what? Gives us 5. Yeah. So 9 minus 4 gives us 5. So that's what we did there. All right. So we did the parentheses first, right? Then we have this 3 close to the 5. What does that mean? We have the 3 so close to the 5.
Multiply it.
That means multiplication. Very good. Very smart. So that means that what we're gonna do here, we're gonna say, okay, well, that means multiplication. So we express it as multiplication. So I have 7 plus 3 times 5 times 6. So what am I gonna do here? What am I gonna do now?
The multiplication.
The multiplication. Very good. So what is 3 times 5? That gives us what?
15.
15. Very good. So we did 3 times 5. And the 3 times 5 gives us 15, right? And we put the 7 back. So 7 plus 15 times 6. So we have 7 plus 15 times
I
6.
know
How are
the
we going to do
answer.
that? Which your answer is?
Multiply.
Mine is 97.
97 is your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 97. Okay,
Nice too.
I got
97.
97 too.
Or 97 as well. So what's the first thing we do here? Right, what are we going to do?
Multiply.
Multiply.
Multiply. 15 times 6 is what?
90.
90.
90.
Very good. 90. So 15 times 6 is 90. It's 90. And 90 plus 7 is
97.
97. Very good. So it's going to be 97. All right. Excellent. Any questions on this, or y'all understand the straightforward stuff? Let me know if y'all understand. So our answer here is going to be 97. So the important thing here is that we do parentheses first, then exponents. If there's no exponents, then we have to do multiplication or division. Remember, they're equally weighted, so whatever comes first from left to right, and the same thing is true for addition and subtraction. Whatever comes first from left to right, because they are equally weighted. But multiplication and division is always bigger than, or is always prioritized before addition and subtraction. That's why we always multiply before we add. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this next one. So let me remove all of this ink here. So if you finish with this, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. If you finish with that slide, let's do another one. Right, let's do another one. So we have it's an interesting one. So we have this one here. Okay, good. So remember we have this one is 97. So take a picture of that and send it to me via WhatsApp, please. Again, take a picture of that and send it to me via WhatsApp. Let's do another one. Okay, good. All right, so all right, good. All right, so for this one, we have, let's go ahead and do this one. So for this one, what I want you to do is I want you to, by the way, this is a division sign. So let me make this very clear. This is a division sign. So I want you to answer this, put your answer inside the chat, and the top 15, I will recognize. All right? So do this inside it, do this in your work, in your book. Put your answer inside the chat, and the top 15 will be recognized. All right? So I need everyone to go ahead and do this one. So we have 12 plus 3, open bracket, 9 minus 5, divided by 6. Again, we have 12 plus 3, open bracket, 9 minus 5, divided by 6. Put your answer inside the chat for me. Again, the first 15 answers will be recognized that are correct. It has to be correct.
Mr. Petit,
Uh-huh.
is it okay if I send my answer to you because it isn't doing in the chat?
No problem. You could send it to me on WhatsApp if it's not working on it. All right. So put your answers inside the chat for me. I'm seeing different numbers. Why are we getting different numbers?
Because we have different opinions.
Well, math is not a science of
Well,
opinions.
it's a fact.
Math is not a science of opinions. All right, let's go. Put your answers inside the chat for me, please. Put your answers at the chat. What did y'all get for this? What y'all answers?
14.
14.
14.
14.
Did
I
someone
got
get
14.
did someone get anything other than 14?
I got 18.
Did I
Got
get
18.
recognized?
Someone got anything other than 14?
I got 4.
I got
You
18.
got 4. You got 18. I'm looking inside the chat and there are plenty of people who have different answers than 14. So if you get an answer other than 14, don't be shy. Just tell them what you get.
No, he got 30.
You got 30. 14
I
could
got
be wrong. 14 could be wrong. Don't mind them. 14 could be wrong. Anyone else who got another answer? You think the
Whisper
church is
Jake, I
smart?
get 14.
You get 14? You get 14 because you get 14 or you get 14 because you go up in what people
I
say?
believe in them.
I got 14
No,
also.
I actually get 14.
You actually get 14. You believe in
I
them?
calculated 14. I don't know about y'all.
I get
Okay.
14 myself.
You got 14 yourself? Okay. All right. So
Follow the leader.
follow the leader. Oh gosh. All right. So what's the first thing we're gonna do here?
The
9.5.
You have to
9
do the
minus 5.
parentheses, which is what? 9 minus 5. What is 9
Five.
minus 5? 9 minus 5 is
4. 4.
4. Very good. So we're gonna do here. We have 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 6. So are we gonna multiply first or are we gonna divide first?
Multiply.
Multiply. Why we multiply first?
Because with whatever comes first.
You have to go
Seven in the
left, right?
bracket gets finished.
Very good. Multiplication and division are equally weighted. So we do whatever comes first from left to right. And clearly, multiplication comes before division in this question from left to right. Okay? So we have to multiply first. So my question to y'all is, what is 3 times 4?
12.
12. Very good. So 3 times 12 gives us what? Sorry, 3 times 4 gives us 12. Then we have to add, right? We have to add first, right?
No.
We need to divide first.
The divide.
Do you divide before you add?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So we do 12 divided by 6. What is 12 divided by 6?
2.
2. Very good. And 12 plus 2 is?
14.
14. Very good. How many persons got 14?
Me.
I did.
I did.
Very good. Very good.
Got it.
Very good. Remember I told you all to follow the 14 people. I told you all that. All right. So.
Andrew was trying to guess.
I told you all to follow the 14 people. All right. Take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Okay. So quick quiz. We're going to do a quick quiz on this. And then we're gonna move on to English. All right, so let's do a quick quiz on this. A last quiz, and then we're gonna move on to English language. So we have our English language people already here, so we can't take up their time. So let's go. So order of operations. All right, so good stuff. Good. So let me go ahead and send this inside the chat for y'all.
What about the top students?
Oh, I didn't recognize the top students. Thank you.
Are you waiting?
Oh wow, that is bad. That is terrible.
I've been waiting.
Okay.
I think I like top 1 if you ask me.
Top 1. Okay. Thanks for reminding me. Okay, the first person to put the correct answer was Andrew Gibson. Very good, Andrew. So
Thank you.
I'm gonna do it in order. So it was Andrew Gibson. Correct answers only though. Andrew Gibson. Then it was Jabron. That's very good, Jabron. Then D'Angelo Evans. Then Davinique. Then Nikisha. Then Amari. Then Gardell. Then Ashanti. Then Zion. Then Shavia. Then Kalia. 5 more. Then No, Kalia got that wrong. Then China, then Logan, then Tara, then Ethan Finley, and then Latavia. Those are your 15. Very good, y'all.
What about me?
They say I ain't typed that in fast enough.
Nope, you didn't type it fast enough.
I typed
Then
mine in 1 minute after.
No, 1 minute is too long. 1 minute is 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Oh well.
You weren't trying to place. 1 minute. All right, but very good nonetheless, eh? Very good nonetheless. Once you get it right. All right, so did I put the quiz inside the chat yet? Oh wait.
No,
sir.
Okay, good. I got distracted with the place. Okay, so this is yes, Jai, you can. Once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat again. Once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. I don't know how y'all has put started so quickly, but anyway, once y'all start the quiz, put started inside the chat, and we can move on from that, right? Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Okay, good.
Did you send it?
I did. Y'all didn't see it? Let me send it.
It was hard for me to even see the ones that you sent after the first one because all of them say quiz 1, so I wasn't sure. I was like, what happened?
Oh, my bad. This is even quiz 1. This is okay, you see it. Yeah, that's not quiz 1. It's like 2. My bad. Okay, so everything that I brought. Okay, so
I'm done.
you're done? Okay, good. Let's look at these. Alrighty. So let's look at these quizzes. All right, it's part 2. Okay, y'all doing pretty well.
I done.
Very good, Nalia Store. Very good, Renee. Very good, Adasa. Very good, Zen. Very good, Malia Rule. Very
Alma
good,
just finished.
very good. Very good, Cordell Pratt. We have a streak. We have a streak, people. Everyone so far got all right. Everyone so far got all right. Everyone so far has gotten all right. Let me see who could be the one to break the streak. Let me see. That is not a threat, by the way. That's just, you know. All right. Okay, y'all. That's y'all are doing pretty well. Oh, wait. Never mind. I think I jinxed it. I think I did. All right. So the persons who
The longest number coming in.
yeah, the persons who got less than 9, please redo your quiz. I'm not gonna say your name. Just redo it. All right. The rest of us, please send the quiz, but it's an overwhelming majority of persons got all right. So that's good. An overwhelming majority. Overwhelming majority. All right, the rest of us, please send your quiz. Very good, Anthony. Very good, Carly C. And all those who got 9 out of 9, put a 1 inside the chat, please. If you get all right, put a 1 inside the chat. If you got all right, put a 1 inside the chat. I should let you all see who have won it. I should open up the chat so y'all can see who got 1. You think I should do that?
Who got 1?
Yes,
When I say 1, I mean like who got 100.
Yes.
You should. A lot of people got 100. Yeah. The last time I opened up the chat, it was not good.
It was amazing, actually.
It was not good. It was not good.
It was
Excuse me.
amazing.
Yes, go
Excuse
ahead.
me.
Go ahead,
And
Ricardo.
I am
For the
proud to
second,
say that I am the one who started it.
Go ahead, Ricardo.
okay, right? For the second question, right? I
Uh-huh.
had the answer right, but I
Uh-huh.
actually put B. That's for 11 instead of 13.
Oh, wow.
I
So you
actually
missed,
put
Finish.
it slipped.
100%.
That's
yeah. So I
fine.
got 6.
So redo it quickly so you can get a good grade. All right. All right. So what we're gonna do here is y'all doing pretty well. So let's move on to Alphonic, please redo your quiz. Let's go to English language. So what we're gonna do is if you are not doing English language, just say good night inside the chat. You don't have to say good night to me. Just say good night inside the chat. I don't want you to disturb our class. Just say good night inside the chat if you're not doing English. And then we're gonna move on to English right now, okay? English is gonna be fun. I don't think we're gonna write any notes. I think we're just going to
Yay.
I think we're just gonna do a reading comprehension today.
Oh, my quiz.
Okay, so yeah. So for English language, I want us to all right, Ranaj. All right, so for English language, I want us to actually do a reading comprehension exercise and a quiz on it. All right. So there wouldn't be any writing today. No notes. Just reading comprehension. The only notes you probably have to take maybe for definition or something like that. But we're not gonna do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this English reading comprehension. This is a passage, it's a long passage, so please pay good attention to this.
I hate paragraphs.
Passage. It's not passage. There's a passage. It's a passage. You ain't gotta be afraid of a passage. All right.
Question.
Go ahead.
What's the difference?
Say what's the difference?
I actually don't know the difference.
Okay, so there isn't a real difference. A passage is a collection of paragraphs, like a group of paragraphs. So it's like a bunch of paragraphs together.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, you have a question for me?
I can use the bathroom, yes.
Yes, you can. Okay, so I need readers. So I need you to put your name inside the chat if you want to read. Put your name inside the chat if you want to read. Adasa wants to read. Tyler wants to read. Amari, Alphonic. Good. We have a lot of readers. Put your name inside the chat if you want to read. Okay. I want persons who want to read. Okay, so we're gonna begin by I'm gonna ask you, what do you want to be when you grow up? So anyone want to tell me what they want to be when they grow up?
Businessman.
A businessman,
Ultrasound technician.
an ultrasound technician. Anyone
It
else?
changes
Designer.
everything.
A who?
A designer.
A doctor
designer.
in neurology and
Entrepreneur.
entrepreneurship.
Actress.
A doctor in neurology and entrepreneurship. Say it again. Someone say something
I
else.
would like to be
A businessman. Very good. That's very good.
MLB player.
MLB. That's like baseball, right?
Endocrinologist.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Someone say something, but ologist.
I won't be a lash tag.
Endocrinologist.
A who?
A lash tag.
What?
I say I won't be a lash tag. Like do lashes.
What is a lax? That what that is?
No,
What
I
is
say
that?
a lash tag. Like a person who does lashes.
Oh, lashes. You mean like eyes?
Yeah. Yeah, like
Okay, okay.
lash tag.
Okay. Anyone else? I was trying to figure what you're talking about. Okay, now I
It changes
understand.
every day, but I want to be an actor.
You want to be a who?
Actor.
An actor. Oh wow. Y'all have really good goals. Today we're gonna be looking at the value of learning a trade. Anyone here knows has a trade or knows someone about a trade? So when
Yeah,
we say
so
when we say trade, what is a trade?
like learning a new learning something that you never did before, or trying to teach yourself to make some money.
Okay. Anyone else? When we say a trade, what is a trade? Thank you, Mari. That's a good answer. What is a trade? When we say a trade, what's a trade? So if we start when we talking about trades, we're talking about like things that you could do with your hands, right? So maybe a plumber, That's a trade. Plumbing is a trade. Mechanic is a trade, right? Carpentry is a trade. Um, so the persons who was do your roof, like construction, that's a trade, right? Anyone who do like hair, nails, lashes, massage therapy, all those are trades. Okay.
Yup, that's what I does right now.
Yeah. So those are trades. So today we're gonna be looking at this passage, which is talking about the value of learning a trade. Okay. So okay. So some people use their trade. Electrician is a trade. Anyone wanna be like electrician? So an electrician is a trade as well, right? So a lot of people use their trades to make money and to support their family. And some people just use the trade just to, do it yourself around the house, right? So whatever you use the trade for, whether you use it to pursue your individual career or whether you just know how to do it, it is still always good to know at least a trade, all right? It is helpful. So we're going to be looking at the value of learning a trade. And um, I said that if you want to read, then just put your answer, if you want to read, then just put your, put your name in the chat. Okay. Oh, China say orthodontist. Very good. Okay, so we're gonna start off with China. Go ahead, China. The value of learning a trade. We live. Y'all can see my screen or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead. Go ahead,
Yes,
China.
sir.
The value of learning a trade. We live in a society that values white collar professions such as medicine, law, or accountants, and that considers blue collar or trade professions such as plumbing, carpentry, dressmaking, or auto mechanics to be of lower status. Many parents push their children to pursue careers that would increase or maintain their social status instead of limiting themselves to careers in the trade industry. Often, teachers object if academically successful students pursue trade-oriented careers, calling it a waste of talent.
Very good. Thank you. Go ahead. Samaya. Samaya, are you there? Samaya, can you hear me?
Yes, so
Okay, read the second paragraph, this view.
this view is destructive. Individuals should be held to develop the professional skills their talents and preferences lead them toward, rather than be condemned to jobs they may eventually detest. When we look around, there is an obvious need in the Bahamian society for people whose specialty is a trade job. Many skills needed to compete in the local and global market of the 21st century are those that fall into the technical or vocational area.
Very good. Ayana, can you read this one? A local Bahamian newspaper.
A local Bahamian newspaper recently interviewed several workers in the trade industry. Read the following experts from those interviews and consider, among other things, why people should learn a trade.
Very good. Andrew, nail technician, Grace Meadows.
In January 2012, I became a very proud graduate of a technical college, BTVI, at the age of 19. Initially, many thought that I was wasting my talents by not completing traditional tertiary
Tertiary.
tertiary education because I had passed 7 BGCSEs. They thought that I should have gone to the College of the Bahamas and become a bank teller, accountant, or even a teacher. What they failed to realize was that doing manicures and pedicures was my passion. I spent countless hours watching YouTube videos, scrolling Instagram pics, and peering through Facebook posts for the latest trends. After graduation, with the help of my mom, I immediately started my very own business. Nailed it. I began with a very small client who sometimes do not pay. My family members, neighborhood, church, and school friends. However, after I established my personal web page, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter account, my business practically blew up. It's because of my clients that I can live very comfortably in my own home in West Ridges, as well as take trips to exotic locations such as Paris. Despite all the ups and downs, I have never regretted making the decision to pursue my dream career.
Very good. Alphanique Pointier. This one, electrician. My bad. My bad. Let me go back. Okay. Okay, good.
Electrician. When I was about 9, I had the opportunity to hang with my uncle who had a sound system. I was fascinated by the work he did fixing his and everyone's systems. I would find myself sitting and watching him for hours. When I went to high school, I took up a trade as an electrician and continued my studies in college.
Very good. You can stop right there. You stop right there. Very good. Adasa, everyone.
Everyone and everything uses some form of energy source, so I knew that as an electrician I would always have a job. Although I love the work, it is quite disappointing when people don't want to pay you. They look at it and say that's all you did, and don't consider the hard work and effort you put in or the risk that are involved in it. You could be electrocuted by working with live wires. But I get a thrill out of my job. Having electrical repairs done can be very expensive. A house call for a consultation alone can start
Consultation.
consultation alone can start anywhere around $150, and that's without me doing anything. That's a spark to my wallet.
Very good. Tyler, carpentry teacher.
Carpentry teacher Howard Sampson. As a carpenter teacher of 20 plus years, I have found a tremendous fulfillment and satisfaction in my career. Teaching young people to use their hands to create one-of-a-kind designs and provide an essential service to my country is an indescribable feeling. I
Okay.
simply cannot.
Very good. You can stop right there. Thank you. Hope, I simply
cannot express the joy of looking at a regular piece of wood and transforming it into a masterpiece through using a hammer, handsaw, and measuring tape skillfully. I wasn't always a happy man. My parents refused to pay my college tuition when I told them I wanted to become a carpenter. Their dream was for me to become a doctor. A doctor? I admire doctors greatly, but I can't stand the sight of blood. Anyway, we reached a compromise and they let me become an educator in the technical field. So here I am today, doing work that I love. I also have my own small business, building cabinets, bookshelves, and repairing roofs. Being able to employ some of my top students during the summer months also adds an extra layer of love to my job. There is no greater joy than building on the foundation of my love for carpentry. Get it?
laughing heartily. Very good.
Mhm.
Okay. Amari, seamstress.
Seamstress Wendlery Boleg. I have been in love with sewing for 20 years. I was promoted to learn prompted to learn when my store-bought clothes always had to be altered. I was a tiny little thing back then in Cat Island and liked to dress up. So sewing for myself would fix all my problems.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Nikisha.
One of my mentors got me started, and with a skirt pattern, zipper, and 1 yard of fabric, I made my first skirt, and voila, I became a seamstress. Once Nikki, my daughter, and Travis, my better half, have gone to school and work, and once I've cleaned the house, I spent hours sitting behind my sewing machine, entranced by its hum, watching the fabric race across the machine and getting lost in my thoughts.
Very good. Nikisha, have you ready, Matt? Nikisha?
Pardon?
Oh, that's you. You just finished read, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Quincy, Once My Daughter. Wait, no, we already finished that. Where was she?
We was
Oh,
for
People.
the
Admire.
People Admire. Very good. People Admire. Quentin?
People admire my craftsmanship, and most times I don't know how to respond. I simply smile and say politely, thank you. You really think so? I don't like much attention. Through sewing, I help others and make a small but steady income from the comfort of my home. Sometimes I sew for free for my church's praise team members. I don't mind. It was God who blessed me with my talent.
Very good. Lamaya, hairstylist.
Hairstylist. Since I was people admire my craftsmanship and most times I don't know how to respond, I simply smile and say politely, thank you.
Wait. I think something got messed up with this. So say since I was a little girl. Okay, so let's go back here. Since I was 1 second, let me restart this. We was on the hairstylist, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so start from by the end of high school.
Okay.
Let me go back. By the end of high school.
By the end of high school, I decided to take up a trade by a trade at a local
Vocational college.
where I studied cosmetology. When I visited salons on work experience, I noticed there was a lack of salon etiquette. I wanted to see better practices because hairdressing is not a front porch career. So I pursued an advanced course at Dudley's and obtained a instructor's certificate in North Carolina. It's been 6 years since high school and I will soon be Dr. Anderson.
Very good. Kanan at 25. Kanan?
At 25, not only did I fix hair, but I train other beauticians. The training sessions are early in the morning. Then I go to my salon, and there I am until I finish the last customer. The field is competitive, so I hustle hard and even offer consultations and house calls to my well off clients.
Very good. Cleveland, they don't know. They know.
They know that I'm one of the best in business, so they pay to play. Hey, and there's no oh I owe you. And at the end of the day, when I put that close sign on the door, it's just me at home, pampering myself and unwinding.
Very good. Leslie, mind you.
Mind you, on weekends, my friends and I club or party hop until the wee hours. Every weekend, is there any drawback? Well, my line of work pays all my bills and I need for nothing. But with the early mornings and late evenings, I have no time left to attend church or nurture any serious romantic relationships. I love it anyhow because I help people to look and feel beautiful. That makes me feel good about myself. Being able to provide a relaxing service for my clients who trust me, Shani, to do a great job.
Very good. China, pastry chef. China.
It's cool doing this interview, texting on WhatsApp all the way from Canada. From the age of 10, I knew that because of my creativity, my love of cooking in general, and me coming from a family of chefs, I would definitely be a pastry chef. Keep on going.
Mhm.
I also knew that working in the industry would be stressful and fast paced, and I would need to have a level head and skin as thick as an alligator's. LOL. I told myself that stress would not deter me,
Deter me. Deter me.
deter me from pursuing my goals. So whether I am feeling blue or experiencing pain, grief, or joy, I transfer that feeling to the pastry. Having my beautiful creation sent out on a plate and that plate returned empty always puts a smile on my face.
Mhm. Jeremiah, are you there?
On a more serious note, as the only male in high school, home economics, it seems like there wasn't a day when and I didn't hear many negative remarks like it's a girl's job or pastry chef only for soft fellas or you as a sissy boy. However, 77% of pastry chefs in culinary industry are males, and all of them have to deal with negative comments. But look at me now. Do I have to say the emoji? Oh, no.
No, no, just continue.
Okay. At the age of 21 and
I am an alumnus.
I am an alumnus of University of the Bahamas. I'm in Canada pursuing my degree in culinary management and working in one of the top golf clubs in Toronto. And I am very happy. I'm anticipating the day I open my restaurant. It isn't easy, but I
Do not
don't do not
let, yeah,
let that get me down. I'm working to pay my way through college. There have been a few times I've almost considered giving up, but I did not and will not. Uh,
Abaconians.
Abaconians don't give up.
Very good.
Question:
Renique,
what is Abaconians?
people who live in Abaco
Oh,
or who come from that Abaco. Renique, where's Renique? Renique Wood,
Me?
go ahead. I took up.
I took up the trade 25 years ago because I like working with my hands. I've spent many years in study,
Apprenticeship.
apprenticeship, and working with and for master plumbers in order to become a licensed plumber. I love that plumbers make a lot of money. Yeah, it is a dirty job, but when your toilet is backed up, it's a plumber you need, not a doctor. My parents had the same plumber my entire childhood, and it was difficult to find a reliable replacement when he retired.
Very good. Malik, to me. Malik, to me.
Yes, sir. To me, it seemed like there were only a few good plumbers, so that helped me choose a career in plumbing. Also, the average age of a plumber is 58, and I wanted to pump some youthfulness into a dying trade. I was a deep thinker, eh? Sometimes the working hours are odd because a plumbing problem can happen at any time. This makes spending time with my family difficult. Thankfully, though, plumbing provides a stable enough income to allow my wife to stay at home with the children. I vlog too, you know. Video blog on the internet, showing homeowners how to fix their own plumbing. I think that becoming a plumber is the best decision I've ever made, especially since I'm not stuck in an office and can meet new people. I hope that one day both my son and daughter will be plumbers too.
Very good. Latavia. So last one, mechanic.
You get me?
I get it, yeah.
To take a mangled wreck of a vehicle and make a beautiful work of art is an auto mechanic's dream. and the satisfied look on a client's face is priceless. My granddad, father, uncles were all auto body mechanics, so there was no escaping it. I guess you can say that the trade runs in my veins. I recognize my talent, but I wanted to be talented and skilled. I wanted to create art.
Very good. Who did not read and want to read? Who did not read and want to read? Who did not read but wants to read? Go ahead, Reagan.
By watching YouTube videos and television shows like Gas Monkey
One second, one
Garage,
second, one second. Please stop the reactions. Please stop. That's distracting. Go ahead by watching.
by watching YouTube videos and television shows like Gas Monkey Garage, West Coast Customs, and Pimp My Ride, I not only saw how lucrative the business is and how much fun the art could be, but I also realized that car fixing techniques evolve. If I wanted to be on the cutting edge of upgrades or customizations,
Customizations, yeah.
I would have to learn more. And so I enrolled in and attended electronics, auto body wiring, and fine.
Decal
Oh,
scripting.
1 second. Okay, where was I?
Decal scripting.
Decal scripting and paint application classes around the world in Virginia and Michigan in the US and in Germany and Japan, where car technology is revolutionary.
Very good. It's expensive, but worth it. While I'm still not as skilled as I want to be, my dad and grandfather would agree that I've surpassed what they were able to do. I've become better. I continue to improve my skills, but I don't see it as work. It's definitely a labor of love. Okay, so this is a reading comprehension passage. For today's class, I want you all to go ahead and answer these questions on it. But the first thing is I want to ask you all a question. Give me some trades that was mentioned in this passage. A lot of trades that mentioned inside this passage. Give me some trades.
Nail
Plumbers.
technician,
Mechanic,
nail
Plumbers.
tech,
Pastry making,
Pastry baking.
mechanic,
Very.
a plumber,
Mechanic. Plumbing. Mechanic.
electrician,
Electrician.
Hairstylist.
Hairstylist. Very good.
glass tech,
Seamstress.
Seamstress. Carpenter. Very good.
Carpenter.
What are some challenges? What are some challenges that these persons face when attempted to pursue their goals? What are some challenges?
Electrician,
They were
like is
told
getting short.
that the career
Electrician, again.
On them.
They're told that they can do it. Very good. What else?
they're
The
wasting their
negative
being looked down
comments,
upon.
like the
They're looked
negative
down
comments,
upon.
like
They're
only
wasting their talents.
it's a girl's job and stuff.
Very good. Negative comments like it's only a girl's job. Very good. Okay.
They were told to pick a different career.
They were told to pick a different career. All right. Who are looked upon more prestigious?
Judged.
Who are looked upon more prestigious? White collar or blue collar?
White collar.
White
White collar. White collar. What are some white collar jobs?
Doctor.
Doctors,
Lawyers, accountants. Basically, if you work in office. And what are
Bartender.
okay? And why you think white collar jobs are looked upon highly and blue collar jobs are looked bad? Why you think people think like that?
Because white collar jobs.
One at a
pay
time.
more.
One at a time. One at a time. Dominique.
Because white collar jobs pay more.
Because people
And
think
also
that because people think that white collar jobs pay more. Okay. Anyone else?
Because of how much it pays, and you don't have to get dirty whilst doing it.
Because you don't have to get dirty whilst doing it. But from this passage,
This is how a motion sensor wiring works.
from this passage, what did we learn about blue collar jobs? Is it just trash, or these people love their job? You think they love their job?
they love their job.
Yeah,
Okay.
they love their job.
Their job is pretty good and good paying.
They love their job, and also they are making a lot of money too, right? So there are different ways, right? And so, and all jobs are important because, like he said, when your house is flooded, you can't call a doctor, right? Okay, so this passage was just there to show you all the value of a trade, all right? And to show that you don't look down on people when whatever they do, just don't look down on them because they're they are trying to get their income in an honest way. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you all to do this quiz. Once you started the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. This quiz is out of 60. This quiz is out of 60. So it's a very long quiz.
60 questions or 60 points?
60 points. So it's only 30 questions. So you have the each question is worth 2 marks. So so in order to get a passing grade, you have to get at least 24. 24. Once you get, I'm sorry, not 24. I'm sorry, that's bad. That's terrible. You have to get 50, because out of 60, right? So you have to, I think 40. 40 would work. No, 40 wouldn't work. So maybe 50, 54. Let's try 54. Let's try 50. Let's try 40 and 47. Okay, you have to get a 48. 48 and above. If you get anything lower than a 48, you have to redo the quiz. All right, so don't get anything lower than a 48. All right, don't get none lower than a 40. If you get anything lower than a 48, I will be genuinely sorry for you because it's a long quiz and you don't want to have to do this long quiz again.
Imagine
right?
if someone gets a 20.
All right, so um, so all right, so let me go. So let me go ahead and good. So let me repost the quiz. Some people may not. Let me repost the quiz. All right, so I repost the quiz. All right, so good. Adasa, what number you on?
20.
20, very good. Ajani, what number you on? Ajani, Alphanik, what number you on?
I'm on number 14.
Very good. Amari, what number you on?
Pardon?
What number you on?
Number 5.
Very good. Um, Antonio, Lewis, you have to redo your quiz.
I still here trying and finish my own.
What number you want, Cleveland?
My own number 10.
Okay, that's good. Andisha, what number you on? Okay. All right. Ashanti and Antonio Lewis, what number you all on?
17.
8,
7.
because I have to redo it.
Better redo it, okay. And Ayana Smith, what number you on?
12.
12. 12, okay, good. Bernard Lightburn. Bernard Lightburn and Brianne Johnson, what number you on?
I know 16.
16. Yes.
I had to redo it. When I was clicking, it automatically just submitted for me.
Okay,
I
okay.
don't know how.
Yeah, that has happened. That has happened. That has happened. Um, okay. Carlton Scott, what number you on?
4.
4. Okay. Shannon Smith, what number you on?
15.
15. Okay. China, what number you on?
14.
Say it again.
14.
14. Okay. Sion, what number you on?
13.
13.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, that's good. And Cordell Pratt, what number you on?
It just reset everything.
Okay. All right. Malaya Roll, where's Malaya? Where's Malaya? Malaya, are you there? Or Malia Roll? You can't hear me. Malia Roll? Malia, can you hear me? Oh gosh, where's Malia? Malia, can you hear me, Malia? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. You got a 58. That is very good. That is very good. You could leave. 58 is incredible. 58, that's you only got one wrong. So Malia, very good. Ashanti, you have to redo your quiz. You got a 46. If you get anything lower than a 48, if you get anything lower than a 48, please redo your quiz.
I'm done.
Adasa, very good. You got a 56. That's incredible. Jamari, very good. You got a 50. Very good. Latavia, excellent. Very good.
Mr. Petit, I finished, so
Yeah, you can leave. Once you
I don't
finish,
know what is
you
going
can
on
leave.
though. I
Okay,
submitted
good
my
night.
quiz. The thing
Yeah.
taking long to
The thing?
submit.
Yeah, that's no problem. Kamara, very good. Sion is the first person to get on. Very good, Sion. Boy, Amari, you are lucky. Amari. Amari. There's Amari.
Yes, sir.
You see that? And if you
I
all,
had to, I had to do it over because it reset everything.
okay, no problem. Amari, if you get one wrong, you'd have to redo that. But very good. You got a 48. That's good. Very good. Reagan Major. Reagan Major. Very good, Reagan. Very good.
Good night.
Good night.
Night.
Good night, Adasa. Only those persons who have finished their quiz can leave. Like pass it. Let me go ahead and repost the quiz because some people may not have it. Irvin, you got all right. Very good, Irvin. So far, 2 people got all right. Irvin and Sion. So that's incredible.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Very good. Cordell Pratt, exceptional job. Very good. Very good, Cordell.
Good night.
Who's saying good night?
Pardon.
Very good, Cordell. Very good. Dion Thompson, please redo your quiz. Everyone, you should at least get a 48 and above.
I finished Mississippi. They got a 54 and 16.
Very good. I saw it. Very good. Very good, Jeremiah.
I am serious. I do not know what is going on. I just submitted it and now I keep telling me over and over again, unable able to do something, but I don't know what's wrong.
That's interesting. Boy, you. So what is it like? It's not loading or what's happening?
It is not loading in my.
You may have to
I
redo
don't
that.
have like any
Yeah.
problem with my Wi-Fi. It isn't doing anything. It just stuck.
So redo it. Click the quiz again. You have to redo it. All right. Nikisha, very good job. Davanique, excellent job.
Good night.
Okay. Good night. Alphanique, very good.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night. That's no problem. Jabron, you have to redo your quiz. Ethan, very good. Ayana, very good. Excellent job, Ayana. Excellent job. Logan, very good, Logan. Ashanti, please redo your quiz. Leslie, excellent job.
So I could go, right?
Yes, once you get over 48, you can leave.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Devon Johnson, what number you on? Devon Johnson, what number you on? Ethan Finley, where's Ethan Finley?
Right there.
You got all right. That's excellent, Ethan. So
Thank you.
far,
Good night.
yes, good night. So far, 3 persons got all right. Ethan, who else? And 2 other persons. Andrew, very good. You can leave. Antonio Lewis, please redo your quiz. All right. Renique Wood, what number you on? Renique Wood, what number you on?
19.
Very good. Very good, Nalia. You can leave. Very good. Tyler, you can leave. But Kaylia, you have to redo your quiz. Renique Neely, you have to redo your quiz. And good night. I'm Brianne Johnson. Excellent job. Okay. The rest of us who haven't submitted yet, what happened?
I almost finished.
Almost finished? Okay, good.
I on 22.
Okay, good.
No, 20.
Good. Dion Thompson, excellent job. Dion Thompson, excellent job. Jabron Stewart, you're the 4th person to get all right. Very good. That's not easy. Very good.
I'm serious, my eye is literally watering and from having to redo my quiz, Mom.
Yeah, that happens, Cleveland. She got all right, right? So you can leave. Alexia, please redo your quiz. China, very good. All right. We still have a few persons still doing their quiz. Quickly finish them. Ricardo Leading, what number you on?
Number 23.
Number 23, okay, good. Quentin Sands, please redo your quiz.
So if I get under or an exact 46, I have to redo it?
Under 48. It's 48 and above. 48 and above, yeah. 48 and above. Very good, Ashanti. Very good, Ashanti. All right. Antonio Lewis, please redo your quiz. Very good, Hope. Excellent job. Excellent job, Hope.
Good night.
Good night. All right, the rest of us, we still have a few more minutes to complete the quiz. Please do not take all night. Samaya Smith, I'm sorry, Samaya Strawn, very good. Remember, you have to get 48 and above. Very good, Marissa Gardner, very good. Very good, Marissa Gardner. Very good, Kevin Nicole. Very good, Andisha Wallace. Very good. Again, remember you have to get 48 and above. Very good, Kaylia. Very good job.
Good night.
Good night, good night.
Good night.
Good night, good night.
Finish.
All right,
Finish.
very good. Carlton Strawn, please use your exact name. Very good, Antonique. Very good, Carlton Strawn. Right. All right, the rest of us, quickly finish the rest of this quiz. Again, you remember you have to get a 48 and above. What number y'all on? Because y'all taking, y'all,
I finished.
you finish?
13.
Okay. 13. 13. Okay. Okay. All right, the rest of us. All right. All right. Quickly finish the quiz for me.
Mr. Medit,
Yes.
I just finished.
Finished. Very good, Jai. Very good, Jai. Very good.
Have a good night.
Good night. Good night. All right. Very good, Antonio.
Good night.
Good night. Very good. All right. Very good, Malik. Very good. All right. You have a few more moments left. All right. All right. All right. So, all right, Quentin, I see your grid.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. Good night. All right. Good. So it's currently 9 o'clock. So we are going to end here. So if you haven't submitted the quiz, make sure to submit the quiz. But if you have, then you just have to leave it your grade right there. All right. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. God's spell life. Have a wonderful evening. Kate and I just see a grade. Take care, everyone. See you soon.